She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50
What's up, YouTube?
81.
Road trip again. Me and Ron driving. You never guess where we're going. We're going to DC, but this time we're going back to see Gooma, Charlie, and Chewning, the elder, the sick Angles man. So Christian and Charlie in DC, hopefully we meet them. We're gonna go to Gym District Barbell, see that. I've been wanting to go for a long time. He's trying to nap for like 2 seconds. I've been wanting to go for like a long time. We've been talking about it, been putting it off. And I already told y'all 2018 is a year to not put off your goals. Do things that you've been putting off, and things you think you shouldn't do, but you really should do. And this is one of these things that I'm not gonna put off any longer. And so what better time? Both our schedules worked out, and it worked out to Christian and them out there too. So that's it. That's clean. Christian and them up there too. So hopefully we meet them. Hopefully we get to see them. And it's gonna be a great video. So sit back, relax, leave this video a thumbs up right now, and let the movie begin.
Coming through with the paper plates like the barbecue. Got the haters shaking heads like the Bibles do. Yeah, but it's all for my family.
Here, baby. We're here. The GOAT. DB, baby. DB. We out here. Just made it at the bro here. We're gonna hit a full upper day today. So just chill back, relax, try all the machines. Mad groups up here. It's gonna be a great day. So let's get it. When you get to like 13, and you're like, I can't hold it anymore, I want to stop. And then like you gotta go an extra rep because 13 is a bad look. Come on, let's go. Easy, man. Let's go. Come on, push. You got 5 more. Let's go. Come on. Easy. Come on.
2, 3.
Easy money, let's go. Come on. All you. Let's get it.
Push. There you go.
Come on. Hey, good shit. Alright.
Snap or instant?
Yeah. This man over here really about to do 4 plates. Come on, let's go.
Alright, it's rolling.
Come over here.
Big dog over here. Come on, push. There you go.
Push, come on.
There you go.
That was like 1 full rep. I
just saw me doing freaking tricep extensions and shit. No clothes, man. I got fat. Tricep extensions, so throwing away, man. Working with that today. Got some chalk. Let's get it.
Johnny getting it, man.
Only one, man. Everyone stayed home. I went out too. Oh my God.
Johnny out here about to win summer shredding. Chewning went out last night. Charlie went out last night. Goon went out last night. But he the only one in the gym.
That's what I'm saying, man. No survivor.
Dude. We at the healthiest place on the planet. The healthiest meal on the planet. Steak and shake. Shake and steak. Steak and shake. Man, got that steak and shake, got that Royale, that fry. Chocolate chip cookie dough. What you got, bro? Tell them what you got, man.
Bacon and cheese, Cajun fries, cookies and cream, always.
Post-workout meal, man. The meats. Is it gonna focus? We back in Richmond. The crew's back. Had a great time. District Barbell. Sucks to Christian and them right there. Yeah, Christian had the flu. Max and Charlie just stayed home because they went out and just take care of Christian. So sucks we didn't get to meet them. We got to meet Johnny and Brian, which is awesome. So, but had a great time. First time at District Barbell. Definitely will be the last. And just overall great workout with my boy Nisho and his friend and Rod over there too. So we had a good time. It's good to be back though. But memories definitely made. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Say what's up. Say peace out, man.
Peace out.
Over there just drawling, that's Philly. Invisible set F-class, that's chilly. Life is short, that's fast, that's illy. When your whole crew got cash, that's